Hi, this is Ron Couillard with CADSoft Consulting. In this video, I'm going to discuss one of the coolest new features of Civil 3D 2014, the ability to bring civil objects backwards into the 2013 release. Now, to further clarify this, in previous releases, we've always informed people that civil objects are not backward compatible. Even if they're in the same DWG format as in the case of 2014, it's using the 2013 format. But previously, if we had this scenario where I created a pipe network in the latest release and then went to open that same drawing in the previous release, it wouldn't work. I'd get ARX error, not that kind of class. Well, not so with Civil 3D 2014. So I'm going to demonstrate that to you now. I'm going to add some civil objects such as a pipe network to start off with. Just going to put a couple of objects in. Do the same thing with a pressure network. Just put a couple objects in. Then I'm going to save the drawing in 2014, get out of this drawing, and then open the same drawing up in 2013. Now, what we could expect previously would be to get ARX error, not that kind of class, and then not be able to do anything with the civil objects. Well, as you can see here in 2013, I opened it with no ARX error. I can click on the objects, do any of the editing that I normally would be able to do, and not have any issues. I can then save the drawing, bring it back into 2014, no worries. There is one issue though when it comes to the new functionality, and this should make sense, and what I'm referring to is if I were to create a table for pressure networks in 2014 or data shortcuts for pressure networks in 2014, they're not going to behave the same in 2013. In fact, they may not even work. A table will probably show up as a proxy object and I won't be able to edit that table.